Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing Goomba from Super Mario. I'm using an iPad Pro with the Procreate app. Now you don't need this to follow along. You can use a white sheet of paper, a black marker for outline, and markers and crayons for coloring in. Now I've already gone and created two layers, the outline layer and the color layer. The outline layer is where we're going to be using our black marker for outline, and the color layer is where we're going to be coloring. If you're using a white sheet of paper, you can go and grab a black marker. And I got little Blake here to help me.
Hello.
And he's also on an iPad. Show them the pen that you're going to use. This is just a bamboo stylus, and he is also using Procreate. All right, so let's start off by drawing Goomba's head. Then we're going to do the eyes. Now let me redo that eye. And then he has this mean looking eyebrow that goes like that. And then two little lines here. You can hit undo and redo that. Good job. And then we're going to do his eyeballs. Oh, you're faster than me, Blake. All right, whoops. And then he has two teeth. And then this angry looking mouth. Okay, then we're gonna do his feet. There's a giant circle like that. Good job. And then his body goes like this. Then like that. And then another circle for his other foot. All right, so now we're ready to color. Let's go into our color layer. And I already have Goomba's color palette already picked out. And here is the brown for his body. Blake, you got your brown selected? Ooh, you did that pretty fast. I'm just gonna take my time to color. So, Blake, what do you like the best about Super Mario? Who's your favorite character?
Luigi and Toad.
Yeah, why?
Because they're the easiest for me.
Mm-hmm.
And also Nabbit.
Ooh.
Nabbit doesn't run into anything. He doesn't just like hit anything, but only if he hits spikes, he will just get hit.
All right, so I think we're ready to do the body. Let's select this color. Then I'm gonna do the shoe. Blake, it seems like you know all of these colors off by heart. Wow, that is very impressing. You're already done before me. So who do you think that we should draw next in Super Mario?
Shy guy.
Shy guy. Okay.
Or Nabbit. Alright guys, this is Goomba from Super Mario.